We're here on the Horn stand. It's MACH 2022, but it's the last day, unfortunately. It's Friday. We've not got much left. We've got, like, I don't know, 6 hours left of MACH. Alex, how have you found the week so far?
Yeah, it's been a great show with a high footfall. We've seen lots of customers, existing and new, discussing new opportunities, new technologies, and just connecting with some people that we haven't managed to see over the past couple of years with the general COVID situation, etc.
It's so refreshing to get around, to see people, to have a chat, not on a 2D screen. That's what I'm loving right now. It's all about non-verbal communication. It's all about building relationships. That's what I found from everyone, no matter whether a machine tool supplier, a cutting tool manufacturer. They all say it's all about building relationships. Now, let's talk a quick bit about the Horn stand. You see we're quite busy right now. Can you just show, I mean, I find this is quite impressive right now. What are we seeing, looking at right here?
What you can see here is our super mini range, our micro boring systems 105 and 110. In front of you, there's thousands of different variations.
There's a hell of a lot of carbide here, isn't there?
Lots and lots of carbide, yes. And the benefits of these systems is that the 105 system is compatible and interchangeable across all one tool holder, and the 110 then again across the 110 tool holder. So all of the variations you see in front of you are interchangeable. So it offers a great range of products and cutting forms across one tool holder range.
So, but you don't just do small boring. Let's keep going, Alex. Okay, come on, Joe, let's go. So right now you've got, again, what I love about MACH is through the whole week you've had a lot of school kids, a lot of students, a lot of the next generation coming in to learn about manufacturing, to learn about engineering. And you had quite a few customers now, but obviously these guys aren't going to buy anything just yet, but it's all about the next generation as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all about information and connections and relationships, as you say. We're looking to share knowledge with our customers. We're looking to educate the upcoming next generation of engineers and let them know what Horn are capable of and the things that we can help customers current, customers present, customers past produce. It's about sharing information.
It is definitely, and I mean, I've learned, we've just done a video on all the different gear manufacturing options that you guys provide. I knew absolutely nothing about gear skiving, nothing about bevel gear milling, but so it's lovely just to come here and listen to you guys and hear from you what you guys can offer, but also what problems your customers have in the actual shop floor, in the shop floors as well, and find out what problems you guys are solving in real life day in, day out.
One of the main benefits of a show like this is that you can see the whole range in front of you. You can look at it, we can show you videos, application examples. You know, we all can read a catalogue and we can all look at a video, but when you can speak to someone face to face and see the tooling, it really gives you some perspective of how you could apply it at your on your machines.
And it also allows you, let's keep going through the stand, because it's a lovely stand here. What I love also is being able to bounce ideas off people. Is someone who is obviously a good engineer might come here, and when they're looking at a catalogue, there's not much physicality. And as engineers, I don't know about you, but I learn kinesthetically. I love picking something up, feeling its weight, seeing what, looking at a PCD tip, and you only really, sometimes the best ideas come quite randomly when you're just having a chat about something completely different and you go ping, something like this. So it's probably great for you and your customers to come and sit down and have a look what's possible and move forward with projects and come up with what might be some new innovative idea in making, I don't know, in gear milling, in grooving or something like that. So this is really important for you guys moving forward.
Yes, we're coming here obviously as Horn, the grooving specialists, with our bread and butter products, but you might come on the stand and see something that you didn't know Horn was capable of producing, and so we're also here to offer inspiration and innovative tooling solutions for our customers.
I mean, we're just looking at some broaching here right now, but I just saw a video just now talking about gear broaching, about where it's got a lathe-driven tool, and the driven tool obviously is spinning, but there's some mechanism inside that's turning that rotary motion into linear motion, and that was quick as anything. I mean, I'm sure someone would love to have a go at milling an external gear on the front of one of their parts with one of those driven tools. So there's stuff I'm learning day in, day out, and I mean, it's not like I'm not been doing it that long. So obviously, for me, everything's new still, but there's still probably something to learn, even for someone who's 50 years old and been in the game a few years.
I mean, I've been with Horn 12 years now, and we're still learning every day. New customers pose new challenges, and it is interesting. That's why we love engineering. Innovative work, and developing new technologies, new tooling. with the development of new technologies, with customer products, we then have to develop new tooling around that, and it's about one keeping up with the other. So any customers developing new products or new technologies, we're there to help them along the way.
Brilliant. So service and support, gear milling specialists, grooving specialists, gear skiving, lots of different ways of manufacturing gears as well, sorry, not just gear milling. Check out Horn, it's all about service and support, it's all about absolute specialties in niche topics, but also general cutting tools as well. Brilliant. Thank you very much, Alex. Check out Horn.